श्रील प्रभुपाद की। हरे नाम हरे नाम एव केवलम कलो नास्तेव नास्तेव गतिरन्यथा। तो हम देख रहे हैं कि जैसे जैसे समाज में परिस्थितियाँ और जटिल होती जा रही हैं, कल लॉकअप का पीरियड और बढ़ा दिया गया, तो हमारी चिंताएं भी निश्चित रूप से और बढ़ेंगी। लेकिन अब ऐसी परिस्थिति में चॉइस हमारे पास है कि हम चिंता करें कि चिंतन करें। चिंता भी मन से होगी और चिंतन भी मन से होगा। और इन परिस्थितियों में हमें अवसर प्रदान कर रही है कि हम अपने कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस में और गहराई में जा सकें और कृष्ण की जासिया शरण ले सकें। कृष्ण की शरण लेने का अर्थ है कृष्ण के नाम रूप गुण लीलाओं की शरण। चिंता के तो बहुत विषय रहेंगे, अगर ये हो गया तो ये हो गया तो ये हो गया तो, लेकिन चिंतन का केवल एक ही विषय रहेगा, हरे नाम एव केवलम। और वैसे भी हम अपना फ्लैशबैक करें अपने जीवन में, तो हमारे व्यक्तिगत स्तर पे भी जीवन में बहुत बड़ी बड़ी समस्याएं होंगी। हमें लगा होगा इन समस्याओं से हम निकल ही नहीं पाएंगे। और सामाजिक स्तर पे भी बहुत बड़ी बड़ी समस्याएं आई, वर्ल्ड वॉर 1 हुआ, 2 हुआ, बड़ी बड़ी महामारियां भी आई, लेकिन एक समय के साथ वो निकल जाती है। ये प्रकृति का नियम है। लेकिन समय तो निकल जाएगा, मुख्य बात ये समय निकालना मुख्य बात नहीं है। मुख्य बात है कि उस समय को हम कैसे निकाल रहे हैं, किस चेतना में निकाल रहे हैं। तो इस परिस्थिति में हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा भगवान की शरण लेनी चाहिए। जितना हम भगवान की शरण लेंगे, मन भागेगा इधर उधर, लेकिन हमें मन को फिर से पकड़ के हरि नाम में लाना है। अगर हम अच्छा जप कर लेंगे तो हमें आत्मबल भी मिलेगा, हमारा संतुलन भी बना रहेगा और हम इस योग्य रहेंगे कि दूसरों की सेवा कर सकें। लेकिन हमेशा चिंता में रहेंगे, क्योंकि मन का ये स्वभाव है कि जिस चीज़ पे फोकस करता है उसको बहुत बड़ा कर देता है। अगर एक छोटी समस्या पे हम चिंता करने लगे तो वो समस्या और बड़ी हो जाएगी और हम बिल्कुल कुछ कर भी नहीं सकते, कोई समाधान भी हमारे पास नहीं है। भगवान ने अपनी सारी शक्तियाँ अपने नामों में डाल रखी हैं, तो क्यों ना हम उनकी शरण लें। यहाँ व्यवहारिक रूप से जो हमें योजनाएं बनानी है वो अपनी योजनाएं बनाएं, हम सारी प्रिकॉशंस लें, लेकिन अंततः सब कुछ भगवान की कृपा पर निर्भर करता है। तो इसलिए जप को हमें बहुत ही ध्यानपूर्वक, और ये असली मौका है, अब हम हृदय से भगवान को पुकार सकते हैं। जैसे प्रभुपाद कहते हैं, रो रो कर भगवान को पुकारना। तो जप एक प्रकार का एक डिवाइन कम्युनिकेशन है राधा और कृष्ण के साथ, और हमको रो रो को पुकार सकते हैं, भगवान हमारी रक्षा कीजिए, हमें अपनी शरण दीजिए और अपना प्रेम दीजिए। तो इस प्रकार से हम करें। और हम देखते हैं हमारे आचार्यों के जीवन में भी उन्होंने अपने व्यक्तिगत जीवन से सिखाया। उनके जीवन में बहुत समस्याएं आई। पांडव हैं, प्रहलाद महाराज हैं, हरिदास ठाकुर, वो जब जगन्नाथ मंदिर नहीं जाते थे तो प्रतिदिन महाप्रभु उनके लिए प्रसाद लेके आते थे। तो एक बार गोविंद महाप्रसाद लेकर आए और हरिदास ठाकुर का स्वास्थ्य बहुत खराब था। उन्होंने कहा कि आज मैं माला पूरी नहीं कर पाया, मैं प्रसाद कैसे ले सकता हूँ। थोड़ा सा उन्होंने लिया और गोविंद ने जाके महाप्रभु को ये बताया, तो महाप्रभु वापस आए और महाप्रभु ने हरिदास ठाकुर से पूछा, हरिदास ठाकुर क्या समस्या है। तो हरिदास ठाकुर ने ये बोला कि मैं अपना जप पूरा नहीं कर पा रहा। महाप्रभु ने बोला, तुम्हें आवश्यकता क्या है, तुम वृद्ध हो गए हो, कम जप करो। बोले नहीं, जब तक मेरा शरीर है मैं जप करना चाहता हूँ। तो कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी इस प्रसंग के अंत में बता रहे हैं, जो इस लीला का श्रवण और स्मरण करता है उसे हरि नाम को लेने में और दृढ़ता आती है। तो हम जब ऐसे घबराएं तो आचार्यों से प्रार्थना कर सकते हैं, श्रील प्रभुपाद से प्रार्थना कर सकते हैं। श्री रूप सनातन भट्ट रघुनाथ, श्री जीव गोपाल भट्टदास रघुनाथ, एच्छाई गोसाई करे चरण वंदन, जहाँ हिला विघ्न नाश अभीष्ट पूरण। तो भगवान की शरण लें, भक्तों की शरण लें, हरि नाम की शरण लें, और यही से हम अपने आप भी संतुलन बना रख सकते हैं और सभी भक्तों की हम सेवा कर सकते हैं। चिंता कम करें और चिंतन ज़्यादा करें। हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र की।
Hare Krishna devotees, so wonderful talk wherein we got an insight about what is worry, chinta, and what is contemplation or introspection, chintan. Now, in any given situation, we have the chinta is also there, but again, where are we putting our focus on, whether it is in chinta or in chintan, that makes the difference in your life. So if you see something happened in your life, So you are always thinking about the past, why this has happened to me, why it should happen to me only. uh, so you are always in the past most of the time when you are in worry. But when you are in the chintan mode or contemplation mode or introspection mode, you are analyzing the situation and coming up with a proper answer or proper solution to deal with the situation. So that is the difference between worry and contemplation or introspection. Now let us take one step ahead and ask ourselves what a devotee is contemplating about. So, is the devotee contemplating and introspecting the chintan he is doing? What is he doing as a devotee? So, can somebody talk about that and give your opinion?
Nam jap, when all our energies we are wasting. So this is the opportunity for us to go deep into the mercy of the Lord, and not thinking of our troubles, and because Prabhuji from this talk he was saying that we had had many of the wars and epidemics and all those things. So the chinta is not there because already the troubles were always there. They are not new like now if you are talking about the COVID pandemic. So time will go, but if we have to utilize the time, we have to take shelter and mercy of the Lord. And then he was quoting the great sages, and he quoted Haridas and Thakur, where he was not able to take the prasad because he had not done his prescribed rounds. So they say that Ichhai Gosai Kare Charana Vandana Jaha Hote Vignanasha Abhishya Puran. So very nicely he quoted that we have to take the Sharan and take the Charan of Lord, so that Chinta will go and Chinta will increase.
Thank you, Mataji. So wonderful. So Chinta is basically in one of the other scriptures, it is mentioned that Chinta is going to take you closer to Chit. Basically what it means is that Chita. So basically if you keep on bothering yourself with so many other calamities that are coming in your vicinity, or pondering only on that, then you will be closer to death. So closer to death in the sense physiologically and physically also, you see that the body will start deteriorating, and you will not be able to concentrate also. So chinta is not at all recommended at any point of time. As Mataji rightly mentioned, this place where we are in, this material world, is dukkhalayam asashvatam. So it is bound that you will have problems. It is not like sometimes we go into a mood that why only these problems, only for me only, why others are not getting these problems. But actually, truly speaking, everybody sooner or later they will face these kind of problems. Adhyatmika, Adhibhautika, Adhidaivika, these kleshas are always there in addition to Jarma Murtyu Jara Vyadhi. So but what we need to do is Chintan. So what is Chintan means? Just definition perspective, your understanding. Chintan means only definition. What do you think? Chetan Singh Thakur Prabhu, Chintan matlab kya hai?
Krishna Prabhu, Chinta means thinking about ourselves, our problem. Chintan means thinking about God, what I.
Okay, very nice. Okay. Yeah, Ravi Babu Prabhu, Megha Shukla Mata. Yeah, Megha Shukla Mata.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Inspection.
Introspection. Okay, very nice. Okay, Ravi Babu Prabhu.
Chinta means worrisome mind, Prabhuji. Chintan means to think about the Lord.
Right. So, Preeti Mataji, what do you think Chintan means? So, what Chintan means, you are definitely, whatever you said, we are introspecting about what? Not introspecting about these material things. As Prabhuji rightly mentioned, we are introspecting that how I can get connected to Krishna. That is our chintan. So that is where we are focused. Our all whatever senses are there, gross body, subtle body is getting tuned such that you are trying to connect with Krishna. And if you are not able to connect with Krishna, introspect and find out why you are not able to connect to Krishna, and plan such a way that you are getting connected to Krishna. This is actually a chintan which is good for our life, our ultimate goal to achieve. So chinta will never really help us in any of our endeavors. So whether it is material problems also, chinta will not help. So understand that these are going to happen, and what we need to do. You see, I remember Gaur Gopal Prabhu once talked about a nice beautiful chart. I can send it to you across. Why worry? How many of you remember about that chart? Why worry? Anybody remembers the chart, flow chart diagram? So if you have a solution to the problem, then why worry? If you don't have a solution to the problem, then why worry? In whatever situation. Yes, Mataji. So that kind of you should, sometimes I keep that in front of me. Whenever worry comes, then whether I have a solution to this problem? No, I do not have a solution to this problem. So then why worry? And if suppose there is a solution to this problem, then why worry? You have a solution. In whatever case, you don't have to do chinta. You have to do chintan, introspection, how to connect to Krishna. So what do you mean by getting connected to Krishna? And what are you introspecting about? Are you doing chinta there in introspection? Why I am not able to connect with Krishna? Are we doing that? Because again in chintan also, if you are doing chinta, that is a problem. You understand what I am saying?
We have to accept whatever come as the prasad, Krishna prasad, and it is for our own purification. It's something which we feel that is not happening according to us, or something we are put into some testing situations. Then we should take the shelter of lotus feet of Krishna. Very and nice. Just think as it is an opportunity for us to purify ourselves.
Yes, but Chetan Singh Thakur Prabhu, what do you think? चिंतन में चिंता करने का संभव है क्या?
यस जी, जब कभी भी अपन लोग ऐसा महसूस करते भगवान हमारे साथ नहीं है, शायद भगवान को हम रियलाइज नहीं कर सकते, भगवान हमारी नहीं सुन रहे, ऐसा जब हमारा जब सोच रहता प्रभु जी, जब देन द चिंता विल स्टार्ट बिगिनिंग. वी आर इन चिंता करें तो ही वो जब भी ये प्रॉब्लम्स ऐसा सोचे तो.
Very nice. So understand that see what is we are taking an optimistic approach. Optimistic approach, when you are doing introspection, chintan also, you are taking an optimistic approach, accepting that Krishna is the in charge, as Megha Shukla Mataji and Chetan Singh Thakur Prabhu nicely mentioned. Accept that nothing will happen without Krishna's involvement. One. And whatever has happened, take it as prasad. One. So, but your endeavor you should do, but leave it to Krishna and ask for his mercy. And whenever you are chintan also means that you are in Krishna's Nama, Rupa, Leela, you are getting engrossed. That is what is the real chintan. That is the real chintan. That you are engrossed in the Nama, Rupa and Leela of the Supreme Lord. So that if you can do, then our lives will be more fruitful, and you will be able to not only you will be elevating yourself, you will have the propensity to elevate others. Because if you see any of our acharyas, all these, they have not done it just if I am getting elevated, that is good enough. They never said that. Srila Prabhupada nicely, he could have been in Radha Madan Mohan temple in Vrindavan. Nicely, he could have written books and just whosoever wants, they can take these books. But he has taken the effort of going beyond and then helping others. So once you do this chintan, then introspection will come that how I can help others. So that you take any of our acharyas, that is what they done. Anybody could elaborate on this point and then we can close. How you could help others, and yeah, is it required?
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Prabhuji, as we see people around us, and automatically that thing comes inside us that we have to help, like we have to get them to Krishna, because when we see their condition, automatically that happens. It comes from within, that we have to get them connected. So for that, first we should have the knowledge. First we should raise to that level so that we can also impart and ignite that in them.
Very nice. Yeah. Preeti Mataji, Ravi Babu Prabhu, Chetan Singh, what do you think? How do you think you can help others? Is it required to help others?
Yeah,
Mataji.
yes, Prabhuji. Not only we like we learn from acharyas, Prabhuji. If we get the knowledge, so if we have some understanding, if we share it is always better. When we are sharing, we are also learning. So it is benefiting us also. So when the Guru is teaching or imparting some knowledge, it is gaining for him also. So in that line, like Prabhupada, or we had Sanatana Goswami, Rupa Goswami, who were going door to door. They never asked anything in Vrindavan. They were asking anybody needs any help or something like that. So that should be the mode when we are into really that chintan. We are always in the growth in the Harinam. Then we will think that these problems or whatever are not mine. It is the arrangement of the Lord only. So whatever I have, I can share and dissipate.
Very nice. Thank you, Mataji. Yeah. Chetan Singh.
Very good, Prabhu.
Yes.
What Prabhu, we have to blindly follow Krishna, Prabhu. As per 18th chapter, Krishna himself told that whoever goes and whatever way the confidential knowledge I shared, if you become the preacher and if you convey the message to other, I will be more happy. This is what Krishna told, Prabhuji. This is what my takeaway, that we have to blindly follow Krishna because all are fallen souls. We have to help them. They are in mode of ignorance. That's why, Prabhuji, we have to help them.
One last, very nice, wonderful, Prabhu. So, what should be our mindset? Yes, we are following the instructions of Krishna, definitely yes. But personally, what should be our mindset when we are helping others or doing whatever? Is this right approach that I will get purified, so let me go and do this help to others? Is this the right approach, or is there any other approach that one could have, or any other way that we could have that kind of?
I am incomplete. I don't know anything. I am a fool. That should be the mode and attitude. I know everything shouldn't be that attitude, and it should be in the surrendering mode. That I am incomplete, and I am also into the path of gaining knowledge. That should be the attitude.
Yes, Mataji. Thank you. One last, and we'll end now. Anybody else? Maika Shukla Mataji, what should be the way, the mood when we are doing the helping?
We should be always surrendered to Krishna, and we should try to build that compassion, see Krishna in everyone, because super soul and soul, like both are there in all the living beings. So Krishna is there in each and everyone, and as a soul we are part and parcel. We are all children of Krishna, so we should see everyone with that, and then that compassion will automatically come.
Yes, Mataji, very nicely you mentioned, and our mood should be is that we are not in a mood saying that they are fallen, so I am going to lift up. That should not be our mood, and our mood should be is that but you are doing it because Krishna's message you are passing on to the next this thing, and in that process he is going to definitely get benefited, because this is what Krishna has provided, and I am just a messenger to pass that information. So one should be very careful while doing preaching, and also while doing or helping hand that we are giving, or whatever support we are giving to this movement, that your false ego should not really come in, and sometimes it happens. Then you are a good kirtankar, your voice is so good, so you get popped up and saying that nobody is equivalent to me. So that humble attitude should always be cultivated, and always be ensured that you are having that humble attitude. Trunadapi sunichena tarorapi sahisnuna amanina manadena kirtaniya sadari. So always glorify the Supreme Lord, and whatever little we got, give that credit to Guru and Gauranga. Don't keep with yourself. Whatever credit if there somebody is giving, immediately give it to Guru and your Guru and subsequent parampara. And Krishna, it is because of your mercy, I whatever I have. If I have a good voice, because you are there. Without your mercy, how can I get good voice? I have a memory. And Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita is that memory also I am only giving you. And also forgetfulness also I am only giving you. So see, everything is product of Krishna only. So when we have this attitude that everything belongs to Krishna, and when you are taking up any service, then your false ego and your I will not come. Krishna is in focus there also. Krishna, because of you, whatever I am doing is because of you only. So, and Guru, we need to give credit to the Guru and Parampara and all the senior Vaishnavas. So that mood when we have, then we will be able to proceed and progress in our spiritual path. So with that we will end. If anybody has any questions or anything, we will take up one. If not, we will end now. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, Ravi Babu Prabhu, you have something?
No problem. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Okay.
Prabhuji.
Thank you for everyone. So tomorrow we
Yes, Chetan Singh Prabhuji, someday if we are having, if all are there, just Prabhuji, for my interest sake, Prabhuji, Goloka chart you explain.
Oh yeah, I have the Goloka chart. Yes, we will do that, Prabhu.
When everybody will be present, na Prabhuji, at that time you just take up.
Yeah, actually, I had a conversation with Sara Shiromani Prabhu yesterday only. So we are going to get some service of Gita, the game program, what Radhe Shyam Prabhu has designed. So we might get involved in that also. So yes, I might be little busy this week. Because of that, it's going to start from 30th of this month. So there are a lot of activities that he has given us to do. So I'll get some of you also involved if you are having bandwidth, and I'll let you know. Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhuji. Definitely we'll do that. Dandavat pranam to all of you. Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Ananta Koti Vaishnava Vranda ki jai. Dandavat. Hare Krishna.